The Mariner program was a series of robotic space missions conducted by NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, from the early 1960s through the 1970s. The primary objective of the Mariner program was to explore and study the planets in our solar system, including Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Here are some key details about the Mariner program. 1. Mariner 1 and Mariner 2 Mariner 1 was intended to conduct a flyby of Venus, but it experienced a guidance system malfunction shortly after launch in July 1962 and had to be destroyed. Mariner 2, launched in August 1962, successfully conducted a flyby of Venus, becoming the first spacecraft to reach another planet and providing crucial data about Venus's atmosphere. 2. Mariner 3 and Mariner 4 Mariner 3, launched in November 1964, was supposed to study Mars, but its mission was a failure due to a shroud malfunction. Mariner 4, launched in November 1964, successfully reached Mars in 1965 and conducted a historic flyby of the planet, transmitting the first close-up images of Mars' surface back to Earth. 3. Mariner 5 launched in June 1967, Mariner 5 was a successful mission to Venus, conducting a flyby and collecting data about Venus's atmosphere and conditions. 4. Mariner 6 and Mariner 7 These twin spacecraft were launched in 1969 and both conducted successful flybys of Mars. They provided valuable information about the planet's atmosphere, surface, and weather patterns. 5. Mariner 8 and Mariner 9 Mariner 8, launched in May 1971, was intended to study Mars but failed to reach its intended orbit due to a rocket failure. Mariner 9, launched a few days later, successfully reached Mars and became the first spacecraft to orbit another planet. It extensively mapped Mars, observed dust storms, and studied the planet's surface. 6. Mariner 10 launched in November 1973, Mariner 10 was the first spacecraft to visit Mercury. It conducted multiple flybys of Mercury, providing the first close-up images of the planet and gathering data on its surface and magnetic field. The Mariner program marked a significant era in planetary exploration, expanding our knowledge of the inner planets of the solar system. These missions provided essential data and laid the groundwork for subsequent missions to these celestial bodies.